Welcome. It's ACoder Jones. This is my first YouTube video on here where I'm actually doing some coding. So I've been messing around with some stuff, so I want to get right into it, and then I'll clean it up as I go. But this one is a very quick video. It's basically just going over how to search and replace anything that's in your folder structure. So you'll see if you're in your file, for example, like I'm in this filter button file right now currently, and if you select Command F, you will see the search bar come up with find, and by default you can just easily, like I said, select Command F, and then it will bring up this search bar, and you can select this left arrow or this arrow down on the left side to toggle, and you can actually replace content. So for example, let's see. So on this one, say I wanted to replace style and make it styles, for example. You can select that, and then it finds the instances, and then it replaces, whatever you would like to replace the word with, which I think is really cool, especially if you're working with big projects. So as I was working on this, I was like, how do I search and replace on the whole folder structure? That wasn't super intuitive, because I'll exit out of this. So if you just do a global search on your, if you do a global search on your whole folder structure in VS Code, you can do Command Shift F, and this wasn't here before. Of course, it's here now, but I didn't have this left arrow by just selecting Command Shift F. So that's how you do a search on the entire folder structure. So what I had to do, of course it's working now, but it took me like a while to figure it out. But to get that replaced, if you're not seeing that by default when you do Command Shift F, if you're not seeing this little left arrow down to replace, what you have to do is do Command Shift H, and that will automatically bring up the replace filter. So you can search anything like class, for example. I'm not going to actually replace anything because it will jack up my entire project. So like you can make a class or something like that. And here's where you can match the whole word, and then you can make a case. You can match the case as well, so you can get really pinpointed to what you want to do, so you don't mess up anything else, and you don't change or replace the names of anything you don't want replaced. And that's pretty much it. So I'm glad I got this out. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, please drop them down below. Thank you. Anthony Jones, aka ACoder Jones, checking out. See you in the next one. Peace.